Get 50% off and order online with free shipping at the LITBLINDS store on YouTube channel. Creative design for Roman, roller, zebra, vertical, and custom blinds. Roman blinds are a stylish window treatment that adds elegance and functionality to any room. Unlike traditional curtains, Roman blinds are made of fabric that folds neatly as the blind is raised, creating a tailored look. They offer privacy and light control, and they come in a variety of fabrics, colors, and patterns to suit different decor styles. Roman blinds are operated using a cord mechanism or a chain loop system. Corded Roman blinds are raised and lowered by pulling on a cord, while chain loop blinds are operated by pulling on a continuous loop of chain. Some Roman blinds also come with motorized options for added convenience. Overall, Roman blinds are a popular choice for homeowners looking for a stylish and practical window treatment option. They offer the perfect blend of form and function, adding both beauty and functionality to any room. Roller blinds are another popular window treatment option known for their simplicity, versatility, and functionality. They consist of a single piece of fabric that is mounted on a roller mechanism at the top of the window. The fabric can be rolled up or down to adjust the amount of light and privacy in the room. Versatility: roller blinds come in a wide range of fabrics, colors, and patterns, allowing you to choose the perfect style to complement your decor. From sheer and translucent fabrics that gently filter light to opaque materials that provide privacy and block out light completely, there's a roller blind option for every preference. Space-saving design: roller blinds have a sleek and compact design, making them ideal for smaller spaces or windows where bulky window treatments might be impractical. When fully raised, roller blinds take up minimal space, allowing for maximum visibility and a clean, uncluttered look. Ease of operation: roller blinds are typically operated using a cord mechanism or a chain loop system, making them easy to raise and lower to your desired position. Some roller blinds also come with motorized options, allowing you to control them with the touch of a button or remote control. Light control: roller blinds offer excellent light control options, allowing you to adjust the amount of sunlight entering the room throughout the day. You can choose between sheer, translucent, or blackout fabrics to achieve the level of privacy and light filtration that suits your needs. Overall, roller blinds are a versatile and practical window treatment option that can enhance the look and functionality of any room in your home or office. Whether you're looking for a simple and stylish solution for your windows or a more sophisticated light control option, roller blinds are worth considering. Light control: vertical blinds offer excellent control over light and privacy. By adjusting the angle of the slats, you can easily regulate the amount of sunlight entering the room while maintaining your desired level of privacy. You can tilt the slats open to allow in natural light, angle them closed for privacy, or draw them completely to the side to fully expose the window. Versatility: vertical blinds come in a variety of materials, colors, and textures, allowing you to customize them to match your decor and personal style. From traditional vinyl blinds in neutral tones to fabric blinds with bold patterns or textures, there's a vertical blind option to suit every taste. Space-efficient design: vertical blinds are an excellent choice for spaces where floor space is limited, such as sliding glass doors or narrow windows. Unlike horizontal blinds or curtains that can protrude into the room when opened, vertical blinds stack neatly to the side, allowing for maximum clearance and unobstructed views. Easy maintenance: vertical blinds are relatively easy to clean and maintain. Most materials can be wiped down with a damp cloth or vacuumed to remove dust and debris. Additionally, many vertical blind slats are treated with anti-static coatings to help repel dust and keep them looking fresh. Durability: vertical blinds are typically made from durable materials such as vinyl or PVC, making them resistant to moisture, fading, and warping. This makes them an ideal choice for high humidity areas such as bathrooms or kitchens, as well as for windows that receive direct sunlight. Dual functionality: zebra blinds consist of 2 layers of fabric with alternating stripes of sheer and solid material. By aligning the stripes, you can create a solid privacy layer, block out light, and maintain privacy. By adjusting the stripes to overlap partially, you can filter light while still preserving some visibility to the outside. Modern aesthetic: zebra blinds have a sleek and contemporary look that can enhance the decor of any room. The alternating stripes of sheer and solid fabric create a visually interesting effect, adding depth and texture to your windows. Zebra blinds are available in a variety of colors and patterns to complement any style or color scheme. Easy operation: zebra blinds are typically operated using a simple cord or chain mechanism. By pulling on the cord or chain, you can raise or lower the blinds to your desired position. Some zebra blinds also come with motorized options, allowing you to control them with the touch of a button or remote control for added convenience. Versatility: zebra blinds are suitable for a wide range of window sizes and shapes, making them a versatile option for any home or office. Whether you have standard-sized windows, French doors, or bay windows, zebra blinds can be customized to fit your specific needs. Overall, zebra blinds are a stylish and practical window covering option that offers excellent light control, privacy, and versatility. With their innovative design and modern aesthetic, zebra blinds are sure to enhance the beauty and functionality of any space. Custom blinds refer to window blinds that are made to measure or customized to fit specific window sizes, shapes, and design preferences. Unlike ready-made blinds, which come in standard sizes and designs, custom blinds are tailored to meet the unique requirements of each individual window and homeowner. Precise fit: one of the primary benefits of custom blinds is that they provide a precise fit for your windows. Whether you have non-standard window sizes, unusual shapes, or architectural features like bay windows or skylights, custom blinds can be made to fit perfectly, ensuring a seamless and professional-looking installation. Design flexibility: custom blinds offer a wide range of design options to suit your style preferences and decor. You can choose from various materials, including wood, faux wood, aluminum, fabric, and PVC, as well as an array of colors, patterns, and textures. Additionally, custom blinds often come with customizable features such as decorative valances, motorization options, and control mechanisms. Overall, custom blinds offer a tailored solution for homeowners seeking window coverings that are customized to their unique specifications and preferences. With their precise fit, design flexibility, enhanced functionality, quality craftsmanship, and personalized service, custom blinds can elevate the look and feel of any space while providing practical benefits such as light control, privacy, and insulation. Enhanced functionality: custom blinds can be tailored to meet your specific functional needs and lifestyle requirements. For example, you can opt for motorized blinds for added convenience and ease of operation, or choose blinds with special features such as top-down bottom-up functionality, cordless operation, or light filtering and blackout options. Quality craftsmanship: custom blinds are typically crafted with attention to detail and high-quality materials, resulting in durable and long-lasting window coverings. Unlike mass-produced blinds that may sacrifice quality for affordability, custom blinds are often constructed with precision and care, ensuring reliable performance and longevity.
Professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. Lit Blinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers. USA 25470866262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please share, like and comment.